drink, and be happy?
Sir, you have to stop this.
I'll stop when you start doing it right. Good tea.
I left the back door open.
Well, I'm not in the habit of walking through walls or locked doors.
How are we going to handle this, sir?
What's your theory?
It has to be an inside job, sir. Has to be.
The ordinary man knows that, actually. But a security company is supposed to be secure.
We need to find out what happened with that robbery.
That is in the hands of the police right now. What we need to find out is what went wrong on your side. Luckily, you were smart enough to sublet that part of the job to that other security company.
Sir, there's a video online with a store that's showing where the gunshot
What
came.
is the point you're trying to make, Angie?
Sir, you hear that? That lasted for about 15 seconds.
That's because they were ambushed.
Yes, but these were no ordinary 87s. This was professional.
Angie, the security company that you run sublet this job to another security company. Those guards were ambushed. One is dead, one is injured. Now, what you should be trying to find out is what went wrong with the team.
Sir, based on the report, the team stepped out into heavy fire. Them never stand a chance.
I see what you mean. You know, I'm thinking, maybe we should leave the security business. Because we can't escape an ambush. What do you think?
Wow! So tell me something. How long you work at the shop?
About a month now.
Okay. So, you like it?
I just did it because I want to save. But dancing is really my passion.
Well, it's sure. Because one thing, dancing make you smile.
Yeah man, my biggest release that. So what you do?
What me do? Me know that shop there. So now a small shop that. Me go map it out. So if anything, we bounce the liquor store and the shop.
Hey boy, me put a shot in your face, you know. Me say, who are the money there?
I'm a chef.